Le classique, c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz, c'est pour le corps.
Good morning, you guys. I'm getting ready. This is day 2 on Iceland. Yesterday was crazy because we left Toronto at 7 p.m. From Toronto to Iceland is only 4 hours. So during that time, you don't really get time to completely sleep. So you're just like awake all the time. So that happened to us. Thing is that when we arrived to Iceland, it's already it's 5 a.m. So we didn't want to waste the whole day, and we decided to go to the Brew Lagoon. And the Brew Lagoon, it was really good and it was incredible. We really, really like it. But the thing is that after you spend some time at the waters, you just get extremely tired because you're just so relaxed, right? And by the time that we left the Brew Lagoon, it was 12. And we decided to just walk around the city to explore and things like that. But we were almost 24 hours awake. So we were so tired. I ended up going to bed at 7 p.m. yesterday. And we set the alarm today for 6:30. And then we ended up leaving bed 8 a.m. Truly, yesterday that we spent some time at the city. It's a really nice and cozy city. But I think the thing about Iceland is just to explore outdoors, you know. We rent a car, so we are just gonna be driving around. Actually, my boyfriend is the one who ran all the mapping. The weather here is not bad. I truly feel Canada is way more cold than here. Yesterday we were 5 degrees, and I know that for some people 5 degrees maybe is really cold, but I'm telling you, last week in Toronto we were minus 15. So this feels like a spring for me. And we're kind of running late right now because we have the buffet at our hotel and it's until 10 a.m. and I think it's 9:15 or something like that. So we don't want to miss that.
I'll trade my pillow for your company. You know I'd find a window of opportunity to paint a rainbow of silk and call it serendipity. You can drop my motorcycle and all will be forgiven. It's a celebration, so I lift you off the ground. Not only me falling this time around. As the ocean glows like we're in a movie. You got so much sand on your body when my hands be moving softly. Distance was always timed. I can see by the look in your eyes. We had the same gig in life. Now I know too much has been said. I take myself on adventure instead to build a new way of life.
I was trying to film outside, but it's so windy, so I'm just gonna say it out here. But we are right, and we're gonna do a little bit of hiking on the mountain that is right here behind me, and there is another one right here that we are gonna go as well. So right now we're just gonna do hiking and just get the views because it's actually so incredible. It looks like a movie. It feels like we're in another planet, so that's insane. I really don't know how to put it into words, but we're gonna do that. It's actually not that cold. I will say it's like 5 to 6 degrees, but the thing is that it's really, really windy. So earlier I was trying to film and then I listened to it and you couldn't hear me at all. It's just pure wind. But yeah, so we're gonna go and enjoy that. And hopefully my lip gloss don't get all messed up because it's so windy.
Street lights and car rides to spots that no one knows. Good hugs and hot mugs and blankets in the cold. They're the things reminding me living life is pretty neat. And across my mind run the reasons why it's a blessing just to be. Sweet sounds of laughing with your friends. Fresh snow, the moon glow, and views that never end. When the world is stressing me, try to see these little things. And across my mind run the reasons why it's a blessing just to be.
Guys, I am back to the hotel and look at this. Oh my god, I cannot right now. Let me quickly shower and I'm gonna get ready and then we can start talking because this is just... We have a reservation in 30 minutes, so let's just talk for a little bit. But and the craziest thing is that no one else knows. Like literally my mom and you and my mom are the only people who knows about this. So right now it feels so pure. It feels like I'm having this beautiful thing that my boyfriend, or I mean, should I say fiance, and we know. And I don't know, I feel like right now I'm trying to talk but simply cannot because it's so... I don't know how to explain you. Like I thought that I know how I will feel, and of course I feel like crazy and I want to scream and everything, but at the same time it feels surreal, especially because I feel the area that he chose feels so... It was like a very magical place to be. So I don't know, I cried a lot earlier, and as well like I was just like, I cried and I'm happy, then I cry again. So when we were just coming back, my face was just such a mess. So once we came back, immediately I needed to shower. And we make the reservation. We're gonna go celebrate tonight. And we found this really, really good restaurant. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna have a good time. And tomorrow we're gonna have so much fun as well. But can we take a moment to look at this ring? Because it's my dream ring. Like... this is like literally my dream ring. It's the one that is on my Pinterest board. He understood the assignment. Like this is the ring, you know. I cannot. Like for now, I cannot stop looking to my hand. I feel obsessed with my ring and I cannot stop doing it. So you are gonna be tired of hearing me and just showing you my ring because I can just not stop looking at it. day here in Iceland. We are on our way today to exploration activity. So I think it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna go inside into an ice cave. It's going to be a very, very unique experience, and fingers crossed we can do it because today is really, really windy. So they may cancel, they may not.
I've been alone. I stand under. I've been wondering where this goes. Do you see me? I'll give, conceive. Do you want to feel alone? Each day brings a seed unsown. You are loved more than you know. Could you give yourself to something so unsure? I've walked so far, trusting my heart. I've been waiting for a sign. So scared at times. I've lost my ties. I've been wondering where this goes. Keep the focus on. No, I don't want to feel alone. I'm loved more than I know. I will give myself to something of that I'm sure.
We're gonna stop for a quick bite before we go into the city, and we are gonna get a street food from here. And how did you open this? How do you? Okay guys, we ordered these hot dogs. They have deep fried Doritos. and like cheese.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Cheese, mustard,
Cheers.
sour cream.
Yeah, cheese, mozzarella.
Sour cream.
And the bread is toast perfectly.
Wow.
I'm salivating. Cheers. Oh my god.
Wow.
Fish and chips.
Thank you.
There you go.
Very good.
Wow.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This is the best hot dog that I ever had in my life. I'm not kidding.
It's like a cool ranch, Doritos, and then beef up. Wow.
Game over.
Wow.
This is so good.
Wow. It's so good.
Wow. It's actually no mayo. I think you're right, it's like cold ranch. And then the Doritos, they smash them, so it's not like big pieces, it's just like bite size. The sauce, they cut it like some cuts. So the sauce is deep fried and crispy and juicy. It's just, oh my god.
Amazing. We gotta do the doing one stick.
Good morning. Today we left a little bit later the hotel around 10:30 and we're gonna start a road trip. So now we're gonna go to the other side of Iceland and I think it's gonna be like maybe
The golden ring.
yeah, it's called the Golden Ring.
Circle, sorry.
It's Golden Circle, and I think it's going to be like 2 to 3 hours drive. My boyfriend is getting to a point that he's getting tired because we've been driving a lot, but it's worth it. So we're just gonna stop at the store right now. We're gonna get some energy drinks and maybe some snacks. I got another collab drink. I'm gonna be so sad when I go back to Canada and I will not be able to drink this because it tastes so good. So I'm gonna open. It's just so good. Cheers. A little stop on a tomato farm.
Restaurant.
It's a tomato farm
Is it farm?
restaurant.
Okay.
Yes. So I saw this on TikTok. It's this place, and I found this place on TikTok, and it's supposed to be super cool. They even have coffee, but the coffee is made of tomato, so everything is like tomato based, and just looks kind of like this. This is supposed to be super famous, but let's see prices as well because it's supposed to be super expensive. I mean, by the way, everything in Iceland is extremely expensive. Like one coffee is $10, and I'm talking just about Americano. So let's see what's gonna happen here. But I'm definitely looking forward for the frappe tomato. Let's see how it goes. We're about to enter.
Smell the fragrance?
Yes, but it smells.
Tomato, basil. Like,
Yes, it smells like a lot of tomato. It's crazy. Okay, let's see.
it's like a massive greenhouse. Look at that.
Wow.
All those greenhouse vines.
Wow, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells so fresh. It smells really, really good. Oh, this is a tomato soup. Wait, is that ice cream?
Yes, sorbet tomatoes.
Guys, this is ice cream. Oh my god. Look at this.
Dessert sauce.
Okay, so they have a bunch of things. They have cucumber salad. It looks really good.
It's pasta sauce.
Pasta sauce. Cutie. So I got a tomato latte and it's a coffee with tomato, and then they have basil at the top, the tomato right here, and then look at these colors. Let's try this. Let's try this. I'm pretty.
You gotta mix it up. What does it taste
Is
like?
this good?
It's like tomatoes? You even mix the coffee?
So
Okay.
at the bottom,
This
you
is
really taste the coffee, and then you get some seeds of the tomato, but it doesn't taste like tomato. You know, it's kind of weird. It kind of fucks with your brain a little bit, but it's really good. And then this is tomato beer. Yes, for us. Thank you.
Sure.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yep.
We ordered something light because we just have so much food at our hotel. So we have a buffet, right? And we ate a lot, but the pesto smells so good.
Drop some salt.
I'm salivating. This smells so fresh. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Which should we try first? Oh, we try them together?
Yes.
Give me a second.
Oh, hold on. I'm going to. We have a basil here.
Fresh basil plant.
Fresh basil plant. Let's just cut.
Ooh, thank you.
I'm gonna add it right here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very fresh.
Wow. The tomato is really good.
And more salt here as well. I like the cheese.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. It is so good.
There you go.
Hello you guys, good morning. Today we're gonna be exploring Reykjavík and I'm gonna go to a lot of coffee shops today. I have some in mind, so let's go and let me show you my outfit. Today is not that cold, so I'm wearing some ice skirt. I'm wearing this sweater that is really warm, my jacket, and then my little bag here. And I really like my outfit of the day. I feel it looks really good. I just need to quickly finish doing my lips. And by the way, I was filming a reel and it's just so hard to hide my ring. I feel like when I'm filming the other one, I need to be like pulling my ring. It just feels, I don't know, you know, I feel like the past few days that the past few days they've been so special because we have this, no secret, but this thing that we are keeping away from everyone, and it just feels really special. And I am so happy that now my fiance, he proposed to me in the second day that we are right here, because the next few days that we've been here, they just been so magical, and they just been feeling like, oh, we are spending all this time and we are just getting so excited about what's to come, you know. It's such a great feeling. I feel like if he proposed almost in the end, once we come back to Toronto, it's almost time, like, you know, when you come back from vacation, you start seeing your co-workers, your friends and stuff like that. And I don't think it will be as nice as when he proposed almost once we arrived to the trip, and then we're just spending all this time by yourself, you know. It's like only the two of us. But we have today and one more day, so tomorrow we're leaving, but we leave at night, so we still have the whole day to just be here. And I think today is gonna be as well my last day filming for YouTube, because I just really want to enjoy tomorrow, you know, just the two of us type of thing. And I don't know, I'm like so excited for what's to come. I feel like new beginnings, and so far this year it's been incredible. So I am so excited. Let's go and explore the city.
The smoothest stones, sitting with the river's bones, glimmer with the white of passing light, and this I know. And sprouting seeds, pushing through the forest green, making up their way, and day by day they'll turn to trees. Winter falls, just a spring to summer's call. And we do that, we're just human after all. Sun or snow, all the life it seems to know. And all we have is just part of how it goes, how it goes. This I know. And little birds jumping out the nest to learn, you're never gonna fly but staying high, and this I know. Timid stars, waiting for the after hours, painting with the light, showing every night, this I know. Winter falls, just a spring to summer's call. And we do that, we're just human after all. Sun or snow, all the life it seems to know. And all we have It's just part of how it goes, how it goes. This I know.